Your family will love this easy crock pot soup. We're starting off with 5 pounds of tomatoes, 1 onion sliced, 1 bulb of garlic. We're going to add a handful of fresh basil right into our crock pot. Next, I'm coming in with 3 red bell peppers that I gutted. We're going to season this with some Italian seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and some crushed red pepper. Once we have our seasoning in there, we're gonna grab our 4 cups of vegetable broth and we're gonna use that whole entire box of broth into our crock pot. We're gonna cover this and put it on high for 4 hours. Once the 4 hours are up, I'm gonna grab my hand blender and we're gonna blend this until smooth. Once it's completely blended together, we have the perfect tomato soup. Enjoy with heavy cream or some croutons, and it is delicious. This easy crock pot dinner will be your new favorite. We're starting off with 50 ounces of our cream of mushroom. Then we're gonna add 3 pounds of our stew beef meat into our crock pot. We're adding 2 packages of our brown gravy. I used the 30% less sodium. Once we have our gravy packets in there, we're gonna add 1 packet of our beefy onion soup mix. This is such an easy and delicious crock pot meal that everyone will love. We're gonna finish this off with 4 cups of water. This will help the gravy become gravy and just make this a yummy dinner. Give this a good mix, making sure that everything is combined. Put this lid on and then you're gonna cook this for 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low. Scoop yourself some mashed potatoes because that's gonna be perfect with this delicious steak bite dinner. Pour your steak bites right on top of your mashed potatoes and enjoy. It's so yummy. This is the easiest crock pot dinner you'll ever make. We're starting off with 1 bag of Fritos, 2 pounds of ground beef mixed with taco seasoning. Once we have our ground beef in there, we're gonna grab 1 white onion diced and sprinkle that on top of our ground beef. I have a can of traditional refried beans that we're gonna scoop right on top. You can add as much or as little of the beans as you like. Once we have our beans on there, I'm grabbing my red enchilada sauce and we're gonna do a nice drizzle of our enchilada sauce on top of this entire dish. I have a bag of Mexican style blend cheese that we're gonna put the entire thing on top of our dish. I'm gonna finish this off with 1 more bag of Fritos so we can have a crunchy top for this delicious dinner. I'm gonna put the lid on and put this on high for 1 to 2 hours until nice and heated up. Serve this with some rice and some veggies and you have a delicious dinner. Enjoy. This easy crock pot dinner will be your new favorite. We're starting off with 3 pounds of our shredded hash browns in our crock pot, 2 pounds of cooked ground beef on top of those hash browns. Once we have our ground beef in there, we're gonna add 2 cans of our cheddar cheese Campbell's soup. Now I'm gonna add 1 packet of my taco seasoning. I'm using the 25% less sodium. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of my minced garlic. I am using the garlic because that's my favorite. And now I'm gonna add about 1 pound of Mexican style blend cheese right into my crock pot and give this a good mix. Once everything is well combined, we're gonna give an additional layer of cheese right on top of everything so we can have a gooey topping for our crock pot dinner. Now that we have everything all assembled, we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on and we're gonna bake this on high for 4 hours. After the 4 hours, I'm gonna top this off with some green onions and then it's ready to serve. I hope you try this and enjoy. Yum.